Because I remember specifically, like, if we're going to say songs, I remember specifically Stone Love, in particular, was not playing with Black Cat at all.
Them try to get that a lot. People at Canada try to get idiot. America can still the same. No, not playing. I think up to today they don't play Black Cat, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but me and Father Pow good.
Yeah.
Because Father Pow is one of the guys that we kind of discover me from me I play Russell too, you know.
Got you.
I was supposed to play Stone Love at the time.
What?
Yeah, when I play Russell, Father Pow, them used to link me. Because they used to come listen to Russell.
Yeah.
Because them turn Russell around the world at 13, Kingston 5. See me Stone Lover.
Yeah.
In jungle listen.
Same area.
Yeah, so Father Pow used to link me. And this is something to me like, you know, if me not play Stone Love. But him see, like, actually, I watch my career grow, like, him see say me is a war man, like.
You're not going to fit inside of that Stone Love.
Yeah, so.
Pretty.
Yeah, so you realize, you know what? You're different if I say you're a killer. Yeah, so this is how we don't bother make it go no further.
Yeah.
You can see say me a war boat. So me plays Stone Love, not gonna fit in.
Yeah, it's not going to work.
Yeah.
So has Black Cat ever played with Stone Love?
I think them play one time, but the two songs never string up.
Yeah.
Them play on an event with 20 minutes pan.
Got you.
That's a long after the argument done and a fade out. Then they play on like event, but it wasn't a major like Black Cat Stone Love.
Got you.
Other people dip on it.
Yeah.
And we end up dip on the same show, them dip on. But up to today, we never play like a decent dance in Stone Love yet.
Black Cat, Stone Love, one-on-one.
Never.
Juggled from beginning to end.
Never.
Never.
People always want it.
Yeah.
Up to today, people don't like it, but they never do that yet.
Never. Because I guess the songs were so different. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It would be hard to find the middle.
And Weepo is from Manchester too, you know. The same Black Cat era.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, man, Weepo is where Black Cat is from.
So let me get this. Paul is from Manchester and you're from Seaview.
Yeah.
So it's almost like you guys switched. You went to country and he came to town.
Yeah, because him come from Manchester originally.
Yeah.
Because I know him family them down there, so.
Okay. So did you actually live in Manchester too, or you just played the song and went back to town?
I used to go back as a travel.
Yeah.
I used to just come, because them tell me I go to school. Back and forth.
Yeah. Stay out there for the weekend type
After
of thing.
that, when Black Cat bus now and probably, I say, you know what, I'm going to move to Manchester.
Okay.
So I'm going to go down there.
Because that's almost backwards in Jamaica. Usually you're in country, you want to come to town. Rarely you're in town and you go to country.
Yes.
How was that to adjust for you? How was the adjustment?
At that time, through my birthday, I see if you and grew up, that's how the whole I think them. And
Yeah.
them, we used to play the song like, and as I done, I want to go back home.
Yeah.
And sometimes them have dance, I'm not going on at all. So
Yeah.
them start saying, no man, you have to come on, and the people in my heart see you down here, and rare. Till bad vibes start when I see you now, you know.
Okay.
All the part of the things start. My mother say, you know what? You can stay your country and your friend them.
Yeah.
Because I know you get mixed up in our area. And so I end up start stay down there.
Got you. This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.